Are there well-known HTTP-only sites? Captive Wi-Fi portals suck. Often when I open a HTTP site in a browser, desktop Chrome or mobile Chrome, I get the captive portal, but with auto-completion and so quickly I connect again to Wi-Fi. The problem is that after the captive portal redirects, I'll have also a HTTPS redirect and Chrome remembers the certificate and to use only HTTPS. So I cannot use the same site twice, in a session. A well-known public HTTP-only site will resolve this. Well-known sites usually work, causing less debugging of the Wi-Fi connection.
A well-known public HTTP-only site will resolve this. You can use this URL. What? This website is for when you try to open Facebook, Google, Amazon, etc. on a Wi-Fi network, and nothing happens. Type this URL into your browser's URL bar, and you'll be able to log on. How? Neversal.com will never use SSL, also known as TLS. No encryption, no strong authentication, no HSDS, no HTTP/2.0, just plain old unencrypted HTTP and forever stuck in the dark ages of internet security. Why? Normally, that's a bad idea. You should always use SSL and secure encryption when possible. In fact, it's such a bad idea that most websites are now using HTTPS by default. And that's great, but it also means that if you're relying on poorly behaved Wi-Fi networks, it can be hard to get online. Secure browsers and websites using HTTPS make it impossible for those Wi-Fi networks to send you to a login or payment page. Basically, those networks can't tap into your connection just like attackers can't. Modern browsers are so good that they can remember when a website supports encryption, and even if you type in the website name, they'll use HTTPS. And if the network never redirects you to this page, well, as you can see, you're not missing much.
These answers came from the comments, and I believe they need a separate entry in the answers so they can be easily found. This URL. From @GiantTree. This URL. From Virtually Nick. This URL. Added here because similarly used by a browser. Neversal did not work in my ISP's captive portal, but the one from Google did.
This website is for testing SSL. This URL. It includes several subdomains that intentionally will never have SSL enabled, such as this URL, this URL, this URL, and more. For some reason, when I tried this URL, I was forwarded to a different website with SSL enabled, this URL. So it seems that it currently can't serve its one intended purpose. Batzl.com seems more reliable now.
Old thread, but here's another one, this URL.
Isolans tak super wydachaną, ja to tam się